Hello guys, welcome to another money making application, and today we're going to take a look at quick thoughts. I've recently seen a lot of videos online about it, and I'm not very much the survey taking type, but I figured I'd go ahead and give it a shot since earnings are down and all that stuff. So I've got it pulled up on my phone right here. Now this is an Android phone. You can also download it for Apple as well, or iOS. And let's go ahead and pull it up. So once you open up the application, you're gonna have to make an account, all that good stuff. I made an account about roughly 4 days ago. This is my 5th day, and I've already did a $10 cash out. Now a couple things to note: they do pay in iTunes and Amazon, but if you want to do the Amazon, you're going to have to use an Android phone. But you can also, like what I've been doing, my main phone is an iPhone, so I'll do some of the surveys if I'm like out and about. I'll do some of the surveys on my iPhone, and then if I'm at home, I'll do surveys on my Android phone, because I like the fact that if you're on the Android phone, when you do a cash out, you can go and cash out to Amazon. If you're on your iPhone, you can only cash out to iTunes. But anyways, it's the 5th day. I've already did my surveys for the day. I've noticed that you can do about 5 successful surveys a day, which is gonna get you about $10 a day. Now that's not too bad, because if you do that every single day throughout the month, you're looking at about $300 there that you can add. And using Amazon, I can buy things around the house. I've actually got a newborn, so I'm planning on buying some Enfamil and saving me some money. But let's go ahead and take a look at the app. A couple things you're gonna wanna, up at the top left, there's a little bar here, and it's just got some information about the app and the settings and all that good stuff. The surveys themselves will come down right here, right below your total. As you can see, I'm at $41.60. I was at 51, but I actually did a $10 cash out earlier today, and I wanted to wait until I was done with the surveys today to do this cash out live and show you guys. This is my Amazon account with my gift card balances down right below, and I'm going to do this live and update my Amazon so you guys can see the most legit way of payment proof that I can show you guys. But if you wanted to do a cash out, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys my activity, but I'm going to pull it over here for a second. Hold on a minute. Yeah, perfect. Okay, this is your account history. I don't want to pull up my personal information. That's good enough. So it's going to show you when you did a survey, if you were qualified or not, if you completed it. So today I did some surveys. I got qualified on some. I did it on others. And I've noticed that you do qualify pretty quickly. There's my redemption right there. If you guys could see it, that's my redemption today. So there's my history. So you get 10 cents if you don't qualify, and then you get $2 if you finish it, which isn't that bad. But let's go ahead and go back. Sorry about my computer making a roaring sound. It's pretty annoying. Okay, let's go ahead and redeem. So what I did was I hit the little person with the 3 bars, and that's going to bring up your account history. So that's what we were just looking at. Now if you hit the little gift box, that's how you can do your cash out. And it looks like you can only do $10 at a time. I'm well over that, so I should be able to hopefully redeem again. Let's see what happens. Sure you want to redeem? Yes. Redeem. Let's see what happens. Boom, there's my code. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go onto my main phone, And I'm just going to copy this and add it and then refresh my balance so you guys can see. Bear with me. Okay, so let's refresh it first so you guys can see. So right now I'm sitting at 10 bucks. And you see the March 17th, 2019. That was the one I did earlier today. Let's go ahead and put that in. All right, I just added 10. Boom, there you go. Let's go ahead and see if we can do another cash out. So now we're at 3160. Getting kind of nervous about this. I'm hoping I can do. All right, cool. I like the fact that it's instant. That is cool. Some apps don't do it like that. Now normally I wouldn't bank my points like this. I would cash out it immediately. I've seen some mixed reviews online about this application. Some people said they had a good experience. Some people they said they didn't. So far for me, it's been pretty positive experience, so I can't really complain. Let's go ahead and redeem another gift card. Let's see here. What? Oh, I didn't copy the whole thing. Hold up, guys. There we go. And do let me know in the comments if you guys use this app and what you guys think of it, because I'd like to hear your guys' feedback. There we go. Just did another 10 bucks. Let's refresh that. There we go. We're at 30. Sweet. I'm getting kind of nervous. I hope they don't like get pissed off I'm doing all my cash outs in one day. Let's see if we could do this again. Do you want to redeem? Yes, give me that money. Or gift cards. Cool. Right away. That's cool. This is pre-recorded, so you could try using these codes, but I've already used them. Come on. Yeah, this is the first survey site I really enjoyed. I might be diving more into these survey sites, seeing which ones I like more than others, because this is pretty cool. I mean, granted, you do gotta put the work in, but I'm doing this in like my free time, like when I ain't got nothing going on, or I'm watching my kids, or waiting somewhere to, you know, maybe on break at work, stuff like that. I mean, that's a great time to do a survey. Yeah, this select all, it does not want to. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do another one. This is your live cash out with Money Farm Tech. Come on. Are you kidding me? This phone does not want to work. Here we go. Alright, just added another 10. Let's take a look at that. Refresh Amazon. We're up to 40 bucks now. Cool. We got one more cash out to go until we are tapped. Alright. Come on, baby. I have fat finger syndrome right now. Sorry, guys. putting in that last code. Let's see. There we have it. 50 bucks in my Amazon. I've been on this site for, or this application for 5 days now. I've did my $10 surveys each day. This is a really great way to put some extra cash in your guys' pockets. I mean, if you guys got the free time, why not? Check it out. They're pretty easy surveys. They usually take the good ones are like 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and some of them can be up to a half hour. So you'll get a variety of surveys, and some you'll like, some you won't like, but they're not all the same, so that's good to hear. As far as the app goes, I think it's a pretty solid app. I've had a great experience so far. I think you guys should definitely check it out. Again, it's available on Android and iOS. You guys have the payment proof here. And like I said, when you open it up, you'll have these surveys here. If you do run out of surveys, don't worry. There's a little icon at the top that says find more surveys, and you just answer a few questions, and then usually you can qualify for another survey quite quickly. This application uses over 1,000 different survey websites to get you guys surveys, so you never really run out of surveys. Well, at least in my experience so far. But I would definitely give it a recommendation for you guys to check out. If you guys like my video, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead. If you like more videos like this, check out my channel. I've also got other apps that you guys could check out. And don't hesitate to subscribe if you're into that kind of content. I appreciate you guys for spending your time with me today, and have fun with this app. I hope you guys can make some extra money, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one.